Welcome. In front of me is a Nothing Phone 3A Pro, and today I will show you how you can put this device into safe mode. So to get started, you want to hold your power button and volume up at the same time, and from the boot options that will show up, you want to hold power off. This then changes into reboot to safe mode, which we will confirm by selecting OK. The device will reboot, and when it boots back up, it will boot into the safe mode, in which only the pre-installed applications will function, so any app that you have installed yourself will be temporarily disabled and neither you nor the device can start it up. And obviously this is designed for troubleshooting purposes. So you can see we have safe mode marking at the bottom, and it looks like there's no applications that will be turned off by this process by default. But like I said, if you have some installed, they will be disabled in this mode, and they on the home screen might appear as a semi-transparent gray monochrome looking application. If you try to open it up, it will just give you a message that apps are disabled in safe mode. Now once you're done, and you want to go back to the normal mode, again hold power button, volume up, and select restart. When the device boots back up, it automatically goes back to the normal mode. So with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.